Hi guys, let me show you the mind-blowing new AI innovation right now, which is just going to be announced today. I'm going to show you how you can use it and create your social media post right here and use it as an assistant as well. And it's going to be a new features and I'm glad you and we are going to discover it together. So open any kind of source, type in Meta AI and just click here and we are going to open Meta and you can just create your account and log in, or you can go without login and you can just go and add your birthday and that's it. So just go with it. So then we are going to try it together. So here is the Meta AI where you can use what are the some alternative caffeines. So you can go here and log in here if you like this. Just click here login and it's going to log you in your account and you can choose to do so many available things right here. So you can go with login with Facebook or Instagram as well, or you can choose to add your email address as well. So just go with this one right here and you can go also with the Facebook option or the email option. Just type here your email and it's going to log you in a sec. So we are going to go and discover it together as well. So if you logged in, you can see the available tools going to be appeared and so many more options is going to be go, and now you can just go and create your account right here or choose to add your account that you have right here and just go and create your password as well, and it's going to be just a minute and just click here OK and you can go save your info here. You can add your username here like Petra AI and you can add your name here. Just type in your name. If you like to add your name, you can add your name as well. So now we are just creating our Meta AI account right here. So you can confirm. The next step is going to show you by Meta AI. After we set up our account, we are going to go and see the available features as well. If you are not decided to log in, so you don't have to access every kind of feature you have right here. So you just get your code and just type in and then you are going to able to set up your account for Meta AI, and then we are going to try out together the full features which is available right here, and then we are going to try everything because this is the new tool which is just announced today. So I'm so curious about this whole thing with Meta AI and I'm so excited about this one right now. So after you created your account, you can see your account appearing right here. You can go with the settings here and change any kind of things, even the appearance. It can be dark if you like to, or you can go with the automatic. I'm going to go with this dark section right here. If you click here, you can see the AI studio is going to be appearing right here. If you like to just click here and log in your Instagram account, you can see AI demos, which is so amazing, which is available right here. You can just accept the cookies right here and you can go and try this one right now. That we are going to do right here. You can see the available new tools here and see the demo appearing right here. You can go and try this out if you like to. Just go with it, and let me see the other thing. Seamless translation, you can go here if you like to. Just try out this tool as well. So this is another seamless translation. Here you can go and see the available.
I've been waiting for this. This is so exciting. Ich habe darauf gewartet. Das ist so aufregend.
Let me try another.
I have to leave soon. Can we please hurry this up? Je dois partir bientôt, s'il te plaît. On peut accélérer ça.
Guys, it's so amazing. It can be translate your voice in a sec.
Je suis vraiment désolée. C'est trop triste. Lo siento mucho. Es demasiado triste.
Let me see the last example.
Esto que quede entre tú y yo. No se lo digas a nadie. Leave this between you and me. And don't tell anyone.
This is so cool. Just click here, try it and accept the terms, and you can choose a language. You can go with English or you can choose translate the voice to French, Spanish, or German. I'm going to go with French version right here, and you can click here to continue. And you can go about our AI demos anytime. So all you have to do basically just click here next and record your speaking voice, and it's going to translate your thing right here. And you can go and see try excited, you can go try fast talking, you can try whispering, and you can try sad, please don't leave me, this kind of thing. You can go about and see the available examples anytime. Just visit this site and it's going to show you the seamless communication, which is so amazing. It's going to generate you so many languages. Let me show you the examples.
At Meta, we're working with the AI community to help remove language barriers and encourage open, authentic communication. Building on our research advancements, we're excited to introduce a suite of new models. Seamless M4T v2, an improved version of our foundational model. Seamless Expressive, which preserves expression across languages. Seamless Streaming, which translates speech and text in just under 2 seconds of latency. And finally, Seamless, our unified model that combines capabilities of all three. In August, we introduced the first version of our foundational, multilingual, and multitask model, Seamless M4T. It overcame limitations of previous translation systems with state-of-the-art results. This robust single model performs speech-to-text, speech-to-speech, text-to-speech, and text-to-text translations for up to 100 languages, depending on the task. Our improved model, Seamless M4T v2, serves as a foundation for our new Seamless Expressive and Seamless Streaming models. Next in our family of models, we have Seamless Expressive, which preserves the intricacies of speech, such as pauses, speech rate, and emphasis on certain words, as well as vocal style and emotional tone. We believe it's imperative our translations not only accurately convey the words we speak, but also capture the subtleties of human expression.
Please keep the volume down. We just put the baby to sleep. Por favor, mantén el volumen bajo. Acabamos de dormir al bebé.
We're also thrilled to share Seamless Streaming. With just under 2 seconds of latency, it's the first massively multilingual model able to translate speech and text in near real time. Consider being in a social situation where language spoken is unfamiliar to you. Then imagine being able to not only follow the conversation with minimal delay, but also seamlessly translate what you want to say in that language. We can now build towards that very idea. We believe the journey to remove language barriers succeeds through fast and expressive translations. That's why we're releasing our unified model, Seamless. Seamless combines the quality and multilinguality of Seamless M4T, the real-time advantage of Seamless Streaming, and the expression preservation of Seamless Expressive. Communication can suffer when ideas are mistranslated, which is why we are dedicated to promoting a safer and more responsible AI ecosystem. Our models are trained to reduce toxic word hallucinations, promoting safer communication. And Seamless Expressive is the first translation model to include watermarking. This enables us to identify when an audio output has been generated by our model. We believe this is another step forward in a journey towards a more connected world, and we eagerly await the innovative ways in which the AI community will build upon this work.
So this was the demo from Meta. I think it's so useful and it's so amazing to write here. You can see the available seamless expressive and things that just mentioned the guide before. You can just go English, put whisper, let me hear that.
Please keep the volume down. We just put the baby to sleep.
This was the examples that just mentioned in the videos, and you can see other seamless streaming right here. Let me check it out.
The future of AI translation is as seamless as natural conversation. Building upon our foundational, multilingual model, Seamless M4T, we're making progress towards a future where real-time translation across languages is possible. We're excited to share Seamless Streaming, a new streaming model that delivers translations in just under 2 seconds of latency, which is comparable to the average latency of simultaneous human interpreters. Seamless Streaming is also massively multilingual, supporting speech-to-speech translations for 100 input languages and 36 output languages. Imagine you're traveling in a country where you don't speak the language. It's tough to communicate. Offline translation models are often slow and clunky, causing people frustration. The seamless streaming model translates in near real time. This could enable you to connect and have conversations with people more naturally. Let's see a quick demo of how this technology works. Notice how quickly we hear the speech translation after the text translation appears on screen.
Nuestro modelo nos podría ayudar a hablar con gente del
Our model can help us talk to people from the whole world.
español.
For example, I speak Spanish and my teammate Alex speaks French.
El modelo traduce estos dos
The model translates these two languages and many more.
Hola Alex, ¿cómo estás?
Hello Alex, how are you? How is the climate in Paris?
Salut Juan. Bah, écoute. Hi Juan, listen, it's been very well and you? Il fait plutôt beau aujourd'hui ici. It's rather nice here today. We're lucky.
Seamless streaming is a simultaneous translation model, meaning that it initiates the translation process before the speaker completes their sentence. This technology could be particularly useful in social scenarios like international conferences, where efficient translation is essential. Streaming from many different languages is quite difficult because globally, their individual structures can differ greatly. For example, the word order of an English sentence is subject, verb, object, whereas Korean uses subject, object, verb. Depending on the target language, we may or may not have enough context to create the output. To overcome this, we developed a streaming algorithm that automatically determines when to keep listening for more words before translating and when to produce translations based on what has been said. To allow our fellow researchers to build upon this work, we're releasing seamless streaming and the full suite of seamless communication models. This is an exciting step towards communicating across languages in near real time, and we hope this can open up a future for more seamless and instantaneous conversations.
So this was another amazing tool by Seamless Streaming by Meta AI, of course. So you can try out a Seamless MT4. So let's try out this one. Let's see
At
this
Meta AI,
demo.
we created a new foundational translation model. We call it Seamless M4T. The technology is multimodal. That means that it can understand language from speech or text and generate translations into either or both. It can also transcribe speech into text, and all with a single model. What's very exciting is that it's also massively multilingual. Right now, it supports translation into nearly 100 languages for text and 35 languages for speech. Let's take, for example, the phrase, our goal is to create a more connected world. If I say this in Spanish, nuestro objetivo es crear un mundo más conectado. Seamless M4T can translate this phrase into text for nearly 100 different languages. The model can also generate speech-to-speech translation for 35 languages.
Mục tiêu của chúng tôi là tạo ra một thế giới kết nối hơn.
Now, let's talk about code switching. Code switching happens when a multilingual speaker switches between languages while they are speaking. Our model Seamless M4T automatically recognizes and translates more than one language when mixed in the same sentence. As a multilingual speaker, this is a very exciting capability for me. I often switch from Hindi to Telugu when I speak with my dad. Notice in the following example when I change languages. मैं हिंदी, తెలుగు और अंग्रेजी में बोल सकती हूँ. కొన్నిసార్లు నేను ఒకే సంభాషణలో అన్ని మూడు భాషలను ఉపయోగిస్తాను.
I can speak Hindi, Telugu, and English. Sometimes I use all three languages in one conversation.
Seamless communication is the latest step in our ongoing effort to build AI-powered technology that helps remove language barriers and connect people.
So this was another amazing demo from Meta AI. Let's check out the other communication. You can see research behind seamless communication. You can try a seamless expense demo. Seamless. Just click here. You can record yourself as I show you, and you can try it for live. And it's another kind of research going to show you, and this is the other tools available right here. You can check it out. We just try this one out, as you can record yourself and it's going to translate your sentences in just a minute, as I just show you. You can just click here, try Meta AI button right here, and it's going to go back to the original page. Let's take a look at this page right here. You can see what are the some kind of creative things right here. You can just click here and choose to see the example generated text right here, and you can see it's already generated your text ideas. Focus on the question right here. The question was this one right here, and please explain how they work, and inside effects tell me expect and say about them, include location, where can I purchase them to. So these are the alternative caffeine solutions, and I asked the Meta AI, like this one right here, peppermint oil glistening, and you can see the text here is so amazing. You can copy it, you can like this button and make a response. It was a good translation or not for your case. You can just click here this title. You can rename the conversation right here and just click here to save, and it's going to be appear here like a today research. Like here you can choose to delete and rename and pin this kind of generated conversation right here. If you go back, you can click here the, just new conversation, and you can just type in your ask, like please, I'm going to ask something new. Create me a social media marketing strategy for my channel, for my Instagram account in the niche of art. So it's going to generate you the ask that you are just asked for Meta AI. As you can see, it's so details. There is a content strategy, target audience, even art enthusiasts, potential buyers, fellow. This is the content calendar and visual branding right here, engagement strategy. You can ask, you can see the growth strategy, analytic here. You can ask anytime to make it more detailed. Like, please make it more detailed, and it's going to generate you another kind of text as well. So let me try out. So I just asked Meta AI to make it more detailed. As you can see, it's generating my ask right here, and there is an objective right here. The target audience is different. You can see the interest and the age range and the location specifically. You can see the other things is so different. Like the first step is follow accounts, the other one is Instagram ads, cross promoting, influencer outreach. You can go with the analytic, follower growth, past performance, and there is an additional tips section right here, an action plan for 1 to 3 months, 4 to 6 months, and 7 to 12 months, which is so amazing. If you like this, just go and give a good response. If you don't like it, just give a other response as well. As you can see, it's appealing right here, the Instagram strategy. If you go with the other conversation, just click here and you can just type in your thing here. I'm going to just go with this one right here. As a for example, we are going to generate this text right here. As I asked, please explain how they work and side effects. Tell me what experts say about them, include location, where I can purchase them now. So that is another kind of thing that I just generated right here. And if you like more information, and just type here yes, and it's going to generate you the other information about this topic, and I'm sure it's going to give you a more detailed reflection of the whole thing as well. So let me see the other generated text right here. It's already appeared right here. You can see it's more detailed, and you can see benefits, side effects, how it works, and every section have these titles as well, and so detailed and rich as well. And you can go also with the yes if you like to get to more about this topic right here, and it's going to give you a better look and more detailed information about your topic. And you can see it's more detailed and it's clear to everyone, and it's going to be so detailed and rich as well. If you like more information, just specify the topic or research. If you like to go with this, just click here yes and type in your topic and just go with it. In the new conversation, you can create a road trip. Like for example, I'm going to go with this one right here. So now Meta AI is going to generate us a road trip, and I like to introduce a mix of iconic landmarks, historic states, popular attraction, and you can also suggest road and scientifics. And there is a information right here, and you can just type in your location and how many days you are going to go for it, and there are specific countries or interested here. So I'm going to answer the question right now, and we are going to generate another text to LA. We are going to go LA right now for a week, and I've asked for a roadmap. So I'm just asked another generation. So the trip is going to go to LA, Los Angeles, and this is the road trip that I just generated by Meta AI right now. So this is the day one, morning, afternoon, and evening ideas right here. This is the day two, morning, afternoon, evening examples that we are just can use it as a program as well. There is a day 3 beach day, day 4 trip to Santa Barbara, day 5 Palm Springs, and there is other trip. It's going to show you. This is the full roadmap right here. You can see, and there is a tips section right here, and you can go and ask more tips to get anytime. To just type in your needs, and it's going to show you right here. Please give me more tips, and it's going to give you more tips and tricks to your trip as well, which can be so useful. So this is a new trip, traffic, about parking, and you can go with the budget, which is so amazing because it's always an issue in a trip. So accommodation, you can see the location, read reviews, and you can go and see the other things as well. If you like to create a new conversation, just click here conversation, and you can go and just type in your needs right here and just click here, and I'm going to generate another text right here as a for example. So let me see, the text is already appearing right here. You can see the for examples is beautifully here, and you can give it a try in any minutes right here. Let's discover other Meta AI tools as well. I'm going to go back this demos, AI demos future right here. You can try it, just click here and it's going to show you the full things is going to appear right here, and segment anything demos right here. This is an example. You can just click here, try it now, and it's going to show you the thing right here. So this is an example of this future right here. Just click here next, and you can see the whole changes and how it can be done so perfectly. So you can start with the demo and see the full examples as well. So this is the demo, and you can click in the video to start and just go and see the available tools right here. You can go with the AI demos if you're not sure about this whole thing, how you can use it. You can go with the data set and check it out as well. If you like to go with this, just go with this. And you can go with the about section right here to get to know more this tool as well. You can try this model download even here and try the demo right here. Just click here and it's going to show you the page, and just go with this one right here. So this is a demo. You can change the video. You can select a video to upload from your device, or you can just choose to add from this section right here. Just click here and it's going to add you the example video in just a sec. So let's check it out. This is the example video. Then you can change it, and you can go and change so many things right here, and just go and edit this one right here. So let's check it out, the other available tools right here. There is an animation drawing right here. You can just click here, try it out, and accept the terms, and you can see the available transformation static. So click here, try out, accept the terms, and just upload your drawing right here. I'm going to go with this one right here. There's a checklist that you can follow. Just click here next, and it's going to animate your things right here. You can find a character. There is a checklist for here. Just click the next button, or you can go with this back button right here. You can check it out, the checklist right here. So it's going to highlight the character. I'm going to go with this one right here. You can go back if you like to, and see the tabs is going to guide you how you can create your thing right here. And let me see. So this is our animation right here. You can change to add the animation. I'm going to go with this. So you can go with the dance right here, and it's going to appear so soon, like this one right here. You can go with the funny button right here. You can change the character movement, and it's up you want to. So just click here and change it. You can share here, you can edit it. If you click here, you can edit the character and the movement. You can go with the jumping right here that I'm going to show you right now. This is another jumping kind of animation. It's going to be just in a sec, and you can go with the share button here. So there is a walking section right here that I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to try out this section right here. So let me see, the character is already moving like I asked for. So this is another option for animation. So if you like it, just go with the share button right here, and you can just go and share it and download it. If you don't like, just go with the edit button right here, and you can try to edit it as well. So let's back to the original AI demos. Now we are going to try out audio box here. Just click here, try out, and we are going to try out together this new tool. Now just click here, try it on now, accept the terms right here, and it's going to generate your audio story together. Just click here to start, and you can go and see the intros as well. Just try it. AI tale, summer story, science fiction, create a new story. So I'm going to go with the classic tale right now to see the for example, and just see, it's going to be show you right now. And you can add speech and add any kind of sound right here. You can click here to add audios and narrator. You can edit speech. If you click here, you can try to add your thing here, and you can go with the generation button right here, and it's going to generate you the ask that you are just asked for. So you can go back anytime. You can add the sounds of it. So there is a add sound effect right here. If you click here, you can write your for example right here, and you can generate here. So me laugh funny voice. We are going to ask to generate a laugh funny voice right here, and it's already generating our voice examples right here. You can go back anytime if you change your mind. So let me play.
Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf. The wolf lived all alone in the forest.
What sorts of sounds are in the forest? Try pressing add sound effect to create some forest sounds. Press stop and try it now.
Little Red Riding Hood was going to visit her grandmother in the forest. She opened the door to her grandmother's house and said,
Create a new voice for Little Red Riding Hood. Click add speech and register new voice to have Red say, "Oh my, what big teeth you have, grandmother."
and the wolf replied,
You seem to be getting the hang of this. Make a voice for the wolf pretending to be the grandmother and keep telling the story. You can keep going like this or take the story in your own unique direction.
Happy storytelling!
So this is a perfect example demo. You can click download here, you can play it again or start over. You can just go and summer story, and it's going to generate you a summer story right here. Show you right now. We are going to try out this as well. So if you click here, you can see how the structure is right here. You can see the narrator's name and the full story is appearing right now. And you can go with the play.
Ah,
So much traffic. We'll never get to the beach.
No, we're almost there. I can hear the ocean.
Wow, it's lovely. I can't believe we're here.
I know. I just love the waves.
And the seagulls over there by the dock.
That dog is gonna scare off all those birds.
Look, everyone's splashing around. Let's go jump in.
So this was the example of a summer story right here. You can download it, you can edit it if you click here, edit speech right here, and you can just type in your text here and it's going to generate you the thing right here. You can start over anytime you feel to. There is a science fiction and there is a create a new story that you can create your own story here and generate voice for it. Just click here and let me see the available demo right here.
Oh no, the engine isn't supposed to sound like that.
Have you tried tightening the quantum flux modulator?
Let me try that. Nope, no dice.
Have you properly aligned the dimensional rift generator?
No, I haven't. I'll go try that. Rats, still broken.
What about priming the ether vortex compressor?
I bet that is the problem. All systems go. Thanks a million. We have liftoff.
Have a wonderful trip. Send me a postcard from Mars.
So this was another example. If you change your mind, you can configure start event and click here create a new story, and you can create your own story as well. You can add effects right here, type here what's your mind, and you can add speech here and you can select the voice of it. If you like to, just create your own story as well. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and check out my other AI related videos as well. And don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.